Instructional presence is the second standard of the Instructional Practices rubric. Instructional presence is described as the following. Instructor demonstrates active engagement throughout the course, monitoring student progress, and proactively engaging students to promote relevant academic growth. Instructor completes all grading with detailed, individualized feedback, utilizes the rubric, and offers support and guidance to every student every time, using a variety of methods to encourage student progress. Let's break this down. What does it mean to demonstrate active engagement? It means the instructor is engaged in actively participating in the course and making connections with the students. Your dean may have specific requirements, but in general, active engagement means participating in the discussion boards, posting announcements, responding to inquiries, and proactively outreaching students and advisors. It is essential that the instructor maintains a consistent presence to promote student engagement and growth. How do faculty monitor student progress? There are tools available in Blackboard to help instructors monitor the progress of their students, such as the Performance Dashboard, Grade Center data, and of course through student assignment submissions. Instructors can then use this data to help inform their next steps. Why is detailed feedback so important? Students need to clearly understand what they have done well, what is missing from their submission according to the rubric, and how they can improve moving forward. It is imperative instructors use the rubrics provided, using specific rubric elements to direct their feedback so students better understand expectations and can improve their future submissions. Once we have an understanding of the key principles of instructional presence, we can now look at the two outcomes of this standard. Outcome number 1 is guide student interactions to promote a positive and forward-moving learning environment. An example could be found in an announcement that asks students to consider an alternate point of view, clarifies a particularly difficult concept, or provides additional information. Another example could be in personalized grading feedback that acknowledges a particular strength or progress made from a previous assignment. Some deans may ask faculty to keep outreach logs, copy team leads on email, or request forwarded emails, or have regular check-in meetings to discuss support strategies. These examples may be considered when reviewing your team members. Outcome number 2 is provide supportive, individualized feedback and grading. Faculty must provide personalized, detailed, and relevant feedback and grading that addresses each critical element of the appropriate rubric. Using embedded rubrics correctly, providing comments for each critical element, and ensuring those comments are personalized, detailed, and relevant is expected. Providing this level of feedback is one way to uphold our faculty promise we make to our students. Team leads can consult ADJ 501 training course for grading resources, consult deans, as well as review previous Faculty Spotlight presentations for additional best practices and strategies for providing individualized feedback. The scoring metrics of each critical element are then applied. Remember, exceeds expectation goes above and beyond what is required. Meets expectations means all minimum requirements and expectations are being met. Does not meet expectations means an element is missing and the faculty member has not met all the criteria of meets expectations. Read the descriptors of the rubric carefully for each critical element when determining your scores.